certain it's your love that holds me together. You say you been killing them. I am on a whole nother level. Barely only fought you over cause you let him. I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show me ever. But I can't just show you it's certain it's your love that holds me together. What's up, guys? It's Jimmy. I'm back with another video, and I know it has been a long time. Today, I'm gonna do a quick, short video cause I'm tired. Okay, so I'm bored and I have not been in Roblox for a long time. So I created this group. So and then I think that I already have another group, so I don't need it. So I don't need this group. So what I was thinking is I can give this group away. Yeah, I can give this group away. Yeah, hold up. Let me just create a new spot. I'm gonna name it Oof. Oof. Okay. So I'm going to do a Roblox giveaway. I'm gonna do a group giveaway. I know that's dumb. Nobody has think of that giving a group away. So, like, I'm gonna give this group away, and all you have to do to enter is to like, subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and also say a Roblox name down below, and then I'm gonna put all of your names in a randomizer, and then after I do the randomizer, it's gonna automatically pick, and then the one that got picked to be the one to have this group. Okay, bye guys.